weather.
Well, it was a treat of a day, and most of us enjoyed a lot of sunshine. A few of us again had thunder showers across the region.
But it was warm.
Yeah, very warm out there. In fact, we could call it hot up in the Northern Valley. Here is a look at some of the beautiful photos shared with us today with these thunderstorms rumbling through. This was up in Clearbrook, Minnesota this evening, and Kendall Regan-Ballard sharing this ominous-looking cloud as it worked its way through, produced some gusty winds out in their parts. We saw some storms headed out toward the Red Lakes area. This was from that same batch. Also, this is a lot of dust and debris getting kicked up, and Gakela here says that definitely was swirling around a little bit. So possibly a funnel making contact with the ground, or a gust-nado, we call some of those. Hard to tell without moving video, but this same storm, this is near Galesburg, produced some pea-sized hail as well. Look at the gorgeous sunset we enjoyed tonight, capturing it on time lapse, and boom, right there. Look at that orange glowing sun. Well, it was just a beautiful night in the FM area. The showers dancing to the left and to the right of us, and our temperature right now, 66 degrees. Wind is west-southwesterly. It's only 8 miles per hour, and our humidity is a relatively dry 63%. In Grand Forks, after highs in the mid-80s today, it's now 64, much more comfortable with a west wind at 6 miles per hour. A lot of 66s in the eastern third of North Dakota, Langdon, Valley City, Devils Lake, all at that reading. Fergus Falls joins you, and in Bemidji this hour, it is 65 degrees. Here's a look at the radar, and it shows things really quieting down. As we mentioned, once we lose that sunshine and the heating for the day, the chance of thunderstorms goes way down. One isolated cell right here making its way out of Clearwater County and into northern and eastern Becker County at this time, and that is about all that we have left. Overnight, very quiet for the most part. A few clouds drifting overhead, light winds, and we'll start out our Wednesday with temperatures in the 55 to 60 degree range. Now, as we head through the mid-morning hours, temperatures start rising quickly back into the 70s and on our way to the 80s, especially in our southern counties. It does look like the wind will not be an issue for your day. Now, as we go into the evening, the clouds increase in our westernmost counties, and that's where we'll see the best chance of showers and thunderstorms. And by late tomorrow night, some of these storms could be getting quite strong out in the western Dakotas. So there'll be a chance of some late night storms rumbling through our area late Wednesday night and into Thursday morning. We'll keep our eyes on the skies with that activity moving in overnight. Usually that doesn't maintain its intensity during the late night hours. For tonight, Fargo-Moorhead's hour-by-hour forecast shows not much change. We'll slip down into the mid to upper 50s for your day break. And then temperatures soaring all the way up to 81 in the afternoon. That's on your drive time home, so a little sweaty there. Maybe need that air conditioner checked on the car to make sure things are working there. We haven't had a lot of that to worry about yet this year. 72 Langdon, 79 in Jamestown on your way home from work at 3 o'clock, and a lot of upper 70s to near 80s in Lakes Country with light winds. It'll be beautiful. Even the mooses taking a little rest out there near Holly. Thanks, Nicole, for sharing your gorgeous springtime photo. Here's a look at the planning forecast. After a quiet Wednesday, a thunder on Thursday, then north winds gust and cool things off for Friday. It's going to be a cooler and windy close to the work week, but graduations, for at least the time being, look pretty quiet with temperatures near 70.
Good. All those grads.
Yes.
All right, thanks, Hutch. Still to come tonight, the insect repellents that are safer and more effective. But first, why keeping that drink in moderation is so important for your health.